Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify trademark risks before listing on Amazon. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify trademark risks before listing on Amazon, start by conducting thorough research on your product. Identify the name, logo, or design you plan to use for your product. Use the United States Patent and Trademark Office's online database to search for existing trademarks. Input your proposed trademark into the search tool to see if it matches with any registered trademarks. Pay close attention to similar names or logos in the same product category. Next, evaluate the trademark's status. Check if the trademark is live or dead and note any pending applications. Consider the trademark owner's claimed rights, as they may have expanded protections. Visit online marketplaces, like Amazon, to review existing listings that might feature the trademark. Analyze how competitors brand their products and note any potential conflicts. Consult an attorney specializing in intellectual property for professional advice on trademark risks. Prepare a list of similar trademarks and their classifications for reference. Once you gather all information, make an informed decision about your branding. Consider altering your product name or logo if risks are too high. If proceeding, ensure to document all findings and communications. Finally, consider registering your own trademark to protect your brand on Amazon. This proactive approach will help safeguard your business against potential legal issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.